Hi everyone, April here from Piano Lessons Info, and one of the questions that I have gotten a few times now is helping to coordinate your hands. So when you're playing chords, I'm going to teach this playing chords because that's the main thing I'm teaching here. So if you are struggling with this is kind of a series of steps you can take in order to learn how to coordinate your hands better, okay? Because it can be tricky. So the first thing you can do is play your hands separately. So we're going to play the C chord just at the moment. So in your left hand, we're just going to play the note C. In your right hand, we're playing C, E, G, the C chord. So we can just practice going left, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, basically like that. Okay, once that's easy, you can try a few different variations. You can go left, right, 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 left, right, 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 or right hand, left. Okay, so that's just getting used to playing them at separate times. Next step is to try to join it together on the first of the 4 beats. Okay, so we're going to go, left hand is going to play C on first of the 4, and right hand is going to play all 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and see if you can keep holding that one down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add other chords in here if you want to. So 1, 2, we're going to go to G, 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 A minor, and then F. Okay, so that's the next step. Then if that's okay, then we're going to play left hand on the first and third beats. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's you can at this stage see if you can make it trickier playing the different types of beats. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I made it hard for myself there too. Okay, next thing is you can take them separated, the chord, and play a C in the left hand, C chord in the left hand and the right hand, and just try going. Okay, then you could go to G. So if you add the pedal, it'll sound nice. So I just keep using this chord progression, C, G, A minor, F. Then you can try them together even. Go to the G chord. So it might take you a minute to get to the G chord, find your place. That's okay, just if you do that, see if you can stay in time. So if you're going da 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 da, like that, basically. Okay, so that's one way to coordinate your hands, each note at a time. All right, let's see what else we can figure out how to do. So we can try now going left hand broken chord, and then try playing it all together. You can go G. Okay, so that's another pattern. So I was just going the broken note and then chord together, both hands. You could do opposite with the right hand. So we'll go G chord, G, B, D, both hands together. So like that. So one more thing you can do is just try playing the chord in your right hand and just play your left hand on an offbeat or anytime you can stick it in, just the root note. So give that a try. Let me know how you go. If you want another video on this kind of thing, let me know and I will think up some more things you can do just to get your hands working together. So if you haven't used a pedal yet, don't add the pedal until you've got your hands feeling pretty okay, and then add the pedal because it makes it just sound nicer, right? Holds it all together. Okay, see you next time. Bye.